The calendar is another one of the intuitive, easy to navigate, helpful data views within Toolemu. In this video, I'll be showing you how the calendar can help you stay on top of your past and planned activity and the activity of other users, and how you can use the calendar to easily create and navigate between records. To access the calendar, we'll head to the main menu up here on the left and then open the activity module. The calendar view is available across most areas of the activity module. As we can see, it can be selected in the tasks, meetings, and calls tabs within the CRM. There's also a dedicated calendar tab, which is relatively all-encompassing, so I'll just focus on that for this video. When we open the calendar, we'll see this one-day view of activity. So what I'm seeing here is that I have a meeting at 1 PM and I need to record a video at 4 PM. Pretty straightforward. Now, if we want to change the day in view, head up to this little calendar here and click on the desired day. You can switch between the months by clicking these little arrows up the top. So, for example, let's jump to the 11th of December. We can see I've got a couple of meetings planned and I need to call a client at 3 PM. If we ever want to jump back to the current day, just hit this Today button in the top row here. Now, these Today, One Day, Work Week, Week, and Month options let us switch between calendar views to visualize more or less data and let you choose the view you'd prefer to work with. So say we'd rather see the month as a whole. Simply click on the month and you'll view a day-by-day collection of activity for the entire month. If we want to add data to the CRM, we'll use these buttons in the action bar just above the calendar. Simply click the desired day on the calendar, or the desired time if you're using the one-day view, then hit the item you'd like to add. For example, let's say I've just finished my meeting with Toolemu and I need to schedule another for next week. We'll just hit the 27th on the calendar and it'll be highlighted blue. Then we'll head up to the top and hit Meeting. And as you can see, it's pre-populated with the 27th as the new date. Then we'll just fill in the appropriate details here, making sure that the time is correct and we've added any additional information we might need. And then we'll hit Save and the meeting will be set up. The same goes for tasks and calls too. Another one of the handy features of the calendar is the drag and drop functionality. If you'd like to quickly change the details of a record, say to reschedule a meeting or reallocate a task to a different day, simply click and hold the item, drag it to its desired destination, and then drop. Alternatively, you can double-click the item to open the record, change the details in the editor, and then hit Save to update the record. The calendar can also be used to manage other team members and stay on top of all activities occurring in the business. I'll just head to the Workweek view so we can see this feature in action. The list of users on the left-hand side here can be used to show or hide the calendars of other members within the business. Just select or deselect the checkbox next to the desired users and their activities will be viewable on the calendar too. From here, you're able to keep on top of the team's activities in these unique user columns, drag and drop tasks, meetings, and calls between team members, or see when multiple users might be free to schedule group meetings.